Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Police Car Light PAWS Giveaway Alert. Claim 10,000 PAWS. Limited to the first 10 million users today. Police Car Light. What's the big news? PAWS is rolling out an exclusive first-come, first-served FCFS reward task for its users. If you act quickly, you can grab 10,000 PAWS absolutely free. The catch? This offer is limited to the first 10 million participants, and it's moving fast. If you love quick rewards and easy wins, this event is tailor-made for you. How to claim your 10,000 PAWS. Jumping in is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide to securing your spot. Find the task, open the PAWS platform and locate the FCFS task on the homepage. Tap the button, click the button to activate your task. Be quick. Remember, this offer is available only to the first 10 million users, so time is of the essence. Complete before the deadline. Make sure you finish the task by 5 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated today. If you miss the deadline, you'll lose your chance to grab the reward. Why this offer stands out. The PAWS FCFS reward isn't just another giveaway. It's a unique, fast-paced event that combines fun and urgency. Here's why it's special. Exclusive rewards. With 10,000 PAWS up for grabs, this task offers a rare opportunity to secure free digital assets. Simple and quick. There's no complex process or hidden requirements. Just tap, act fast, and claim your reward. Fair for all, the FCFS model ensures equal chances for everyone. It's all about how quickly you can act. Community engagement. This event reflects PAWS's commitment to its users by creating exciting and rewarding experiences that everyone can enjoy. Real-time updates. Spots are filling up fast. As of now, over 4.56 million users have already claimed their rewards. That means there are fewer than 5.44 million spots left. With millions joining every hour, the window is closing fast. Don't wait until it's too late. Log in now and claim your 10,000 PAWS before the countdown ends. Key details to keep in mind. Here's a quick summary to ensure you're ready to act. What? Claim 10,000 PAWS for free. Who? First 10 million users only. When? Ends today at 5 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated or when all spots are claimed. Where? On the PAWS platform. Log in to participate. Why? It's your chance to win a big reward with minimal effort. Tips to secure your reward. Set a reminder. Don't lose track of time. Add an alarm to your schedule to remind you about the 5 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated deadline. Spread the word. Tell your friends and family so they can join the fun too. Stay logged in. Being ready to act at any moment will give you an edge in this race. What is PAWS? If you're new to the platform, PAWS is all about creating exciting, user-friendly experiences with real rewards. Whether it's gamified tasks, exclusive giveaways, or community-focused initiatives, PAWS aims to make every interaction rewarding and fun. Act now. Time is running out. This is your last chance to secure 10,000 PAWS in this FCFS task. With millions of users already participating, the remaining spots won't last long. Don't miss out on this thrilling opportunity. Claim your PAWS today and join the excitement. Rocket ready? Tap the button, race to the finish line, and grab your reward before it's gone. Prince.